Have you ever wondered what are the qualifying attributes that qualifies a kris as a good long-term investment piece? In today's video, I will share with you what to look out for before deciding if a kris is good enough to be added into your collection. So keep watching to learn more. Okay, hi guys, and welcome to another video. May you be in good health and positive spirit always. Once again, you are with me, Keris Johari, better known as Pak Jofe, the kris collector from Singapore, and you are watching another educational video that will help you grow your collecting skills and develop a healthy collecting habit right here on the Kris Collector YouTube channel. Today, I will share the specifics of what to look out for before considering to add a kris into your collection. When you are building your very own kris collection, it is essential that your collection coexists with the study of the acquired specimen examples, alongside with the historical and social context in which they were integrated into. For this, it is necessary to own a vast library of knowledge and experience. As with any collection, it demands a great deal of dedication and financial effort. As with any investment instruments, due diligence is required to ensure you reap a profitable return on your investment. From my 25-odd years of collecting and observing, I would conclude that a good kris is generally defined by the following three areas: age, quality, and maker. Within each of these categories lies another subset of criteria. Within age, you will have to observe what class does it belongs to. Is it an antique? Is it a vintage? Or is it new? Within quality, is it a traditionally made piece? Is it a contemporary inspiration? Or is it a low-quality mass-produced specimen example, which we commonly refer to as a kodi? Within the class of makers, is it made by a recognized empu? Or is it made by a pengrajin, one who is status is not that of an empu yet? And last but not least, is it made by a general practitioner who has no formal training in the art of the kris? These are of course a brief summary just to simplify things, but if you are interested in the finer details, the specific criteria that makes a kris valuable, stay on and watch till the end. Before I go into the specifics, I would like to highlight that the root words presented in the next few minutes are predominantly in the Malay language, but I will do my best to provide the closest equivalent meaning in English for non-native Malay speakers. I have arranged this list in order of importance, and these essentials attributes can be applied across the entire kris set, from the blade to the hilt to the fittings and accessories. Starting at number 1, keutuhan, the condition. The condition of the blade, hilt and fittings, how well maintained are they? Their condition that is presented in. It is pointless to invest in a piece famed for its age, but the condition is atrocious. Badly rusted and corroded blade with disintegrating fittings is not worth the price and trouble to add into your collection. At number 2, the besi, the metals. Obviously, a good kris is one produced traditionally by hammered folds and layering with quality iron, steel and nickel material. At number 3, garab, stylistic aesthetics. What this means is the overall design style is aesthetically pleasing and flawless. It should not have any obvious production flaws. At number 4, pamur, damascene. Regardless of pamur variations, the arrangement of the pamur must be neat and controlled, meaning there is no overflow beyond the landep border. This is of course applicable to blades with pamur. For non-pamur blades, the grains of the blade is indicative if the blade has been forged well. At number 5, baja, iron. The core iron used is compact and solid with a strong and sharp cutting edge. If it is brittle, then it would suggest that the workmanship is not up to par. At number 6, bangunan, the base form design. The design aesthetics is in line with traditional and accepted school of thought and does not deviate from the norms. At number 7, Tantingan, the point of balance. A well-made kris blade following traditional specification will have a specific point of balance that is consistent throughout the ages, regardless of when the kris is made. At number 8, Nyaring, the ring. A well-made kris blade will have a unique ring when struck. Cheap, souvenir and Cody class blades will fail this test. Now, fair warning, do not apply this step if the kris is not meant for sale and belongs to someone else. It is disrespectful to strike someone else's kris blade. At number 9, Langka, the age. The overall specimen's age is known regardless if it is new. As long as the genuine date of production is known, over time the value will grow. At number 10, Sejarah, the history. The history of the kris specimen, when it was made, the story behind it, its production, who owned it. As long as the history of the piece is clear and documented, this often increases the value of the piece exponentially to a prospective new buyer. At number 11, Empu, made by a recognized empu. As with any works of art, for example, a painting made by Picasso obviously is worth way more than an unnamed or unknown artist. Generally, if a kris is made by a recognized kris empu, it definitely is worth collecting even more. At number 12, Keselarasan, visual aesthetics. Overall visual aesthetics has to be pleasing, free from awkward design features or flaws or damages due to age or wear and tear. Last and most certainly not least, at number 13, Rasa, your gut feel. Do you feel attuned to it? A collection is after all very personal and most often reflects the personality or spirit of the owner of the collection. The more personal the collection, the more unique it becomes. As mentioned in my previous videos, after considering all the earlier 12 criteria that I have mentioned in this video, if you like it and afford it, get it. What I have provided today is more than enough for your own assessment before coming to a decision if you do not have a reliable consultant to refer to. As I have mentioned many times before, I am sharing the exoteric qualities of what a good kris to have in your collection. Always start with the exoteric before jumping on board to the esoteric. If you cannot appreciate the exoteric, you will lose yourself completely within the maze of esoteric sciences. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video adds value to you and may you learn something new and useful from watching this. I look forward to reading your feedback in the comment section, so please feel free to leave me your comments and I will personally reply to you. So as always, have a care and remember to subscribe, like and share if you would. Until we meet in my next video, stay healthy, stay safe and stay curious and get excited for more to come. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.